Good day, Mom, sir. It is an honor to introduce myself to you. I am Jessery Pukay Sugut, 36 years old, born and raised at Kabaka, Baliliman, Kayan, Benguet. But I am currently residing at Palasaan, Mankayan, Benguet. I am also married and blessed with 4 children, 3 daughters and 1 son, aging 16, 15, 11, and 9 years old. We are 6 siblings and I am the third child among us. I currently graduated at MMS Training Center Corporation, Baguio, Philippines. With a course of caregiving, I work as a household helper in my country for 8 years. I serve 4 members in the family, 1 couple, 2 children, and they are aged 3 and 1 years old. My main house chores are cleaning the house, which include washing dishes, ironing clothes, cooking, and handling groceries. I'm also do tutorial and enjoy accompanying them going to school. With my work and skills and through life experience, I'm confident to say that I can be a good helper into your household. I'm glad to say that I am willing and to do and finish my contract. Thank you, Mom, Sir.